Good morning, everybody. So today we'll discuss about some important terms which are used in general pharmacology, and these are the terms which are generally asked in exams. So I will be just discussing here some of the terms. So we'll start with tachyphylaxis. Is the most important term which is frequently asked alternately in a year or two in exams. So we'll discuss about what is tachyphylaxis. The word tachyphylaxis means tachy means rapid and phylaxis means protection or acute tolerance. So basically what it is that the repeated use of certain drugs at short intervals may result in rapid decrease in pharmacological response. Means if we are using any drug in a repeated use, or we can say in a short interval of time, then the pharmacological response of that drug will be decreased. So this is known as tachyphylaxis, or we can also say that it is also known as acute tolerance. Example of such type of drugs are tyramine, ephedrine, amphetamine, etc. We'll go with the another term, that is orphan drugs. It is also asked in exams in a 1 mark question. What do you mean by orphan drugs? So basically these are the drugs which are used for diagnosis, treatment or prevention of rare diseases. Means the diseases which do not occur generally. These are rare diseases. So it means the expenses which have occurred during the development, manufacture and marketing of drugs, such orphan drugs, they cannot be recovered by pharmaceutical company from selling these drugs. Example, digoxin antibody. So these are known as orphan drugs. Now we'll come to the very important topic, or I can say term, that is therapeutic index, which is also written as TI. So basically what it is an index of drug safety. Means it is used to find, and how can we find therapeutic index? So basically it is the ratio of median lethal dose to the median effective dose over 50% of population. Means when we have to test the safety of any drug, we'll give that drug 50% of the population the drug lethal dose and 50% of the population effective dose. So we'll see the ratio of that LD50 upon ED50. So it tells us if higher the value of the TI index, the more safer the drug is. Means the higher the concentration of the drug which is lethal to the 50% population and lower the concentration of the drug which is effective to the 50% of population, tells us about the therapeutic index. Example, the drug which is having higher therapeutic index is penicillin, and some of the drugs which are having lower therapeutic index, or I can say narrow therapeutic index, these are digitalis, lithium and phenytoin. At the last, we'll discuss about the term that is known as placebo effect. So what does it mean? It means it is a dummy medicine having generally no pharmacological activity. Means basically it is not a medicine itself which gives a pharmacological response. So it is the drug. ये कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है जो हम किसी भी पेशेंट को ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं. It is generally a psychological treatment, basically generally used in older patients. For example, अगर कोई older इंसान या elderly इंसान पेशेंट हमारे पास आता है and used to complain about कि headache हो रहा है and मैं दवाइयाँ ले रहा हूँ and he is not responding the drugs. So basically for that हम उसको बोलते हैं कि आपको दवाइयों की जरूरत नहीं है. Then